In the 1970s, László Lakner started a series titled Collected Documents, in which he painted in a photorealistic way historical documents, photographs taken from magazines or other sources. This painting is titled Shuba, which is a traditional Hungarian fur coat, and he depicts here the index card of the Hungarian Museum of Ethnography, so the ethnographic museum, and thus questions what does it mean when we musealize traditions, folk art traditions, and in which extent are these folk art traditions alive, and what is the fate of such folk art traditions. And through that he poses questions that are recurring in Hungarian art, latest from music and the art of Béla Bartók, but also in the 1960s abstractions, so in the art of his contemporaries, the questions how to deal with this folk art motifs and the integration or reintegration of folk art motifs into modernism was a key question. László Lakner poses this question through the tools of a grand scale or a large scale realism, recreating this large scale realism in a conceptual way, creating a conceptual form of realism, a conceptual painting, which is still very sensual. If you look at the details of this painting, this is nearly like an abstract work, very sensual, and we could also say very expressive, that questions important issues related to such folk art traditions.